Do you remember when you first started to DJ and they treated you like Paris Hilton at the music festival and all you just wanted to do was wiggle your little fingers and destroy them like the little girl in the Skrillex music video? Then when you finally pick up some talent and experience and gather a group of followers, you notice a random motherfucker who doesn't even know what a cue button is comes in and buys a whole bunch of DJ equipment and steps all over you like you haven't even been doing this for a while now. Well, ladies and gentlemen, for those moments we realized we just needed to keep moving forward, there's a place in town that offers you the tools you need to reach your highest expectations, go beyond your horizon, and make your city proud. That place is Live Sound and Lights. We are located at 5517 West Montrose in Chicago, Illinois, one block east of Central. Don't miss our unbelievable holiday sales and come check out our wide variety of inventory from headphones to state-of-the-art sound and lights.
Like she on that dick. Bad bitches never hold back. Send me a picture where your phone at. I only came here for two reasons. I can't lie. I only came for the bitches and the drinks. Bitches and the drinks. Bitches and the drinks. For the bitches came for the bitches and the drinks. Bitches and the drinks. Bitches and the drinks. Baby, bitch, you came for. Baby, get your glass. Only came for the bitches and the drinks. Baby, get your ass. That's what I came for. I see you tryna handcuff on the street.
Stop tripping, you can't control that.